Well, I do believe spring has sprung. At least in this neck of the woods. It's in the mid 60s this morning, so it's going to be a nice day to work. Supposedly we have a dumpster that we can haul some stuff out and fill the dumpster back up. I was assured yesterday that it would be delivered today, and I don't know about this sunlight. And the gasoline was empty this morning, so I had to get gas. We're gonna get with it. Oh, almost forgot. Everybody wants to watch the video all the way up to the point where I start talking. So apparently nobody wants to hear me talk, at least not a lot. I'll try to keep that in mind. All right, here we go. Let's get ready. Alright, it looks pretty good in here. We've got it pretty well cleaned out now. We can actually start putting it back together. Shouldn't be much more demolition going on. But we got to come in and frame up some walls around this exterior. I'm going to go ahead and frame these walls up with some lumber on the inside so we can have some room to put our plumbing, our insulation, and our electrical. We're just going to go ahead and frame up all these brick walls with some lumber. And if you remember earlier, this huge pile of wood I had, these right here, these two on the end, those are these two right here, that's all that's left. I've used everything else up. That new lumber is stuff I just bought. Here's the water lines coming in from outside. The one on the right is the cold water. And outside this window, let's see if we can see it back here. Right down there is where my screen's probably not going to be able to see it very well. Right down there is the water coming in. It runs out down to here. And just to see about that, this angle, it's about that angle. And it runs underneath this slab all the way over into the master, or to the hall bath. And let's see over here. That one down there, that's the cold water, and that's the hot water. This hot water is just a straight shot from here back over to there. So I'm probably just going to eliminate that. And what we've got to do is we're going to cut back this concrete. The cold water is going to have to move back closer to the wall. This drain line is going to be redirected back to the wall. It's going to come up in the wall and run down this wall to under that window right there, because that's where the sink's going to be, in the kitchen. Now in this area, this is our laundry room and our master bath. We're going to have to bring water over to this location here. We'll probably end up running overhead. I don't like running it overhead, but I don't have much of a choice considering the slab was already here, and I'm not going to dig the whole slab up just to do that. And then run in here for our tub diverter, and then we'll just run through the wall, drop down. There's our toilet. We'll drop down over there and put in a stub out for our toilet, and we'll go over there probably in this right here in this area, and we'll put the connection stub outs for the bathroom vanity. My intentions are to install an on-demand water heater on this wall right here, and because the panel box should be located right there, it'll be really close, and we'll put the on-demand water heater here, short amount of wire, and it'll be convenient for the master bath and the kitchen. And we'll just have to, we can come up here and punch a hole through there, or punch a hole through this brick, and then when we frame this wall out here, run it all the way around and tie in. We were able to find our way back to the property line, way back there. Probably 100 feet or so. And it runs, the water line runs just adjacent left side of this tree, underneath that pile of vinyl, down here, and then connects here. I don't know what in the world they had going on here, but maybe it was an outside faucet. On another note, I've been watching my analytics on these videos, and you guys aren't watching the ends of these videos, and that's okay. I realize that everybody has different interests, but I kind of wonder sometimes if it's a waste of time. But I don't know, I may do something a little different, but we'll see.